Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got KB Shimmer Just a Phase. It's magnetic. And the H La Cosedora fall plate. I've got Dainty Digits Glitter Be Gone, Baby Girl Lacquer. And I'll be using Sister Chic Paris Nights, this beautiful one coat black cream. And look at this. Just a Phase by KB Shimmer. Been a hot minute since I played with some magnetics, so I am ready to play. So look at this. This footage speaks for itself on how amazing this black cream from Sister Chic Lacquer is. I love this polish. I searched, I can't tell you how many years I searched for a great one coat black that didn't pool and puddle. And this one is so easy to work with. Amazing. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and start applying the KB Shimmer Just a Phase. I like to go in with, you know, kind of like a thinner coat, but immediately, I mean, I don't take any time off. Immediately, as soon as I get side to side, end to end, I go in with a thicker coat before I do the magnet. Now, you can use these polishes just on their own and build them up, but I love doing them over black. I'm breaking out my big fat strong magnet, and I hold it and I count Mississippi's, you know, 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. I think I go to 15 on this one, and it still does keep changing after, you know, you do the magnet. Now you can see it's a little wider. I'm going to top it with some Poshe top coat because I had to wear this one all on its own for a day just to enjoy playing with that magnetic look. It's amazing. It's, oh, look at that. So pretty, so pretty. Some of the little in motion. It's gorgeous. And there's my swatch photo of Just a Phase on its own. And here is the H La Cosedora. I know I'm butchering it, but it's a beautiful acrylic plate. And this is the fall one. I'll be using my Born Pretty gray stamping polish, my Conad stamper, and my Beauty scraper. I love these stamping plates. I don't know why they don't get used more often. Yeah, I do. It's because I own so much. And this one needed some love, so today it's going to get it. I'm going with something that's not just crazy in your face today. Kind of wanted some, you know, normal looking nails. I am cleaning that stamper off on a lint roller, and that acrylic plate is getting cleaned with pure acetone. It is totally safe for them. Look at that. Just wonderful. I love using these plates because they don't have a lot of glare for the camera, and they clean up real easy. Cotton's here. He would like to tell everyone hello. So I am going to pop in here with a piece of tape and get this excess up from around my cuticle area. You can see I did my thumb too. Very cool. Alrighty, so I'm going to top it with the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat. I've already done my other nail, so just this one. I'm just going to show it just on this one. We'll let that dry, and then I'm going to finish it off with some Poshe Top Coat. Seal it all in, get it to dry down. Got some bed swimming going on back there. Of course he does it when I'm busy and can't film him. He's so sneaky. I will get footage of that for you all one day. Capping my free edge here. And now we're going to do some more polish in motion. I love this. It's so cool. Here's my swatch photo. I would love to hear what you think about this one. Leave me a comment. And I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.